Let's have a look at the air interface. The air interface specified in the UMTS standard is called UTRA, Universal Terrestrial Radio Access, and uses CDMA technology. UTRA and CDMA will be described in detail in a separate chapter. At this point, we'll just look at their essential characteristics. In UMTS, specific frequency ranges between 1.9 and 2.2 GHz have been planned for radio transmission. The required system capacity can only be achieved through the efficient use of this limited spectral resource. This is done with the help of the CDMA access method. Its outstanding features are its spectral efficiency and its flexible transmission rates. The CDMA method will be implemented into two different transmission modes. The wideband CDMA, or WCDMA, is used with the FDD mode. It regulates the simultaneous flexible access of several subscribers to one FDD frequency pair. This means that one frequency band is used for sending and the other is used for receiving. The spacing between these frequency ranges is fixed. In TDD, which uses one frequency for both directions at different times, the TD-CDMA access method allows efficient subscriber access to the available time slots.